You've seen viral TikToks selling random products, but did you know you can flip those same videos into affiliate income without making your own content? In this video, I'll show you 1. How to find viral products. 2. Use AI to create content. 3. And turn it into a passive income machine. No inventory, no ads, no audience needed. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find what's already viral. Start with TikTok Creative Center, Monea, or even scroll manually through the TikTok made me buy it hashtag. Look for videos with 1. 100K plus views. 2. Clear product showcase. 3. Link in bio or comments. These are already converting. We're not reinventing the wheel, just flipping what's working. Optional. Use Chrome extension, Ali Hunter, or Seller Pulse, to track winning products. Step 2. Grab product plus find affiliate link. Once you've spotted the product, search for it on 1. Amazon, sign up for Amazon Associates. 2. Etsy. 3. Or AliExpress with their affiliate program. Copy your affiliate link. That's your golden ticket. Now we need a video for it. Step 3. Use AI to rebuild the content. Open ChatGPT or Claude AI, and say, write a 30-second faceless TikTok review script for this product, make it sound casual and fun. Then, go to Pictory, CapCut, or InVideo. 1. Use stock clips of the product in use. 2. Add AI voiceover. 3. Add catchy background music plus captions. Boom, you now have a TikTok or YouTube short. Step 4. Post and multiply. Post that video across 1. TikTok. 2. Instagram Reels. 3. YouTube Shorts. 4. Pinterest Idea Pins. Use a link in bio tool like Beacons, Koji, or Linktree to add your affiliate product. Post 1 to 3 videos a day, volume is key. Some people make $500 to $1,000 per month passively, just flipping trends. And that's it. Find what's viral, use AI to recreate it, and get paid as an affiliate. In the next video, I'll show how to auto-create Etsy digital products with AI, and sell them without design skills. Subscribe now and build your AI income stack with me, one tool at a time.